I'm Andrew Morgan, Doctor of Physical Therapy with Homecare Dimensions, here to give you a quick instructional on how to use your single-point cane. One of the very first things that we have to be concerned about is safety. When I'm talking about safety, what I'm talking about is the tip. Yes, the tip of the cane. These are made of rubber and they do tend to dry rot. So what you want to make sure of is that this is nice and sticky and it doesn't feel like it's dry rotted. The second thing that we have to be concerned about is the adjustment. These are actually very simple to adjust. They have a nice little push button here. So what I'm going to do is straighten this out to roughly what I think it should be. And then I'm going to place it down on the floor, and what I want to do is make sure that when I let go of it, the cane hits the crease of my wrist. Now you'll notice that this is a little bit low, so what I'm going to do is extend it one more notch and then tighten down this little screw mechanism. And at that point, I'm ready to go.